In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to park a domain on GoDaddy. We'll go through the process slowly and clearly so you can follow along inside your own account. Parking a domain simply means pointing it to a designated IP address so it shows as parked rather than being connected to an active website. This is useful if you're holding a domain for later, managing unused domains, or setting things up before a site goes live. To begin, open the GoDaddy website in your browser and sign in to your account. Once you're logged in, look for your profile area. This is usually located in the upper part of the page. Click on your profile, and from there, go to My Products. This section contains the domains and services connected to your account. Inside My Products, find the domain that you want to park. Once you've located it, click DNS. This will take you to the domain's DNS management area, which is where you control how the domain connects online. If you see another DNS option or need to open the DNS management screen again, click DNS once more to make sure you're in the correct place. Now, look under the DNS records section. This area contains different record types, but the one we need here is the A record. The A record controls where the main version of your domain points. Find your A record and choose the option to modify or edit it. When you're editing the record, check the name field and then go to the value field. In the value field, enter 3.33.130 emails.190. This is the specific IP address designated for parking your domain. Make sure you enter it exactly as shown, because even a small typo can prevent the domain from pointing correctly. After you've updated the value, click Save to apply the change. Once saved, the update may not happen instantly everywhere. DNS changes can take a little time to propagate, so if you don't see the result right away, give it some time and check back later. That's it. By opening GoDaddy, going to your profile, selecting My Products, entering the DNS settings, locating the A record, replacing the value with 3.33.130.190 and saving the change, you've parked your domain successfully. If you're following along, take a moment to review the record before leaving the page, just to confirm everything was entered correctly.